It's Christmas again! It's Christmas again!
To another video. Welcome to the channel, and it's Saturday the 16th of November 2024 and we're outside the Labour Club here in beautiful Kidsgrove. Now you guys remember last year, the end of November, the wonderful lantern parade that took place here in Kidsgrove. It was a beautiful night, and have you ever wondered, how do they make those lanterns? Well, today I'm going to take you there and let's see how they're made. I believe it's completely free to go in here, and it's open until 4 today, and you guys are not going to miss out. Next week, 23rd of November, it's open from 11 till 4 again for you to come and make these wonderful lanterns. Come with me. And I'm with Sue. Sue has actually kindly invited me to come and film all the kids. And first of all, we have double checked, obviously filming children, we're all good to go, and we've checked with parents, and if anybody wants anybody's faces blanking out, we can do that. So, but thank you so much for inviting me.
Oh, you're welcome. It's great.
I'm really looking forward to filming this.
Good.
And as I've said initially outside, next week there's another day for everyone to come and do this.
Yeah.
And that'll take place next Saturday from 11 till 4 again, here in the Labour Club, completely free.
Yeah.
Now, I've just said outside on the video how wonderful it looked last year.
Yeah.
And the night was beautiful. Tell me, how do we make these lanterns? What are they made of? And
The lanterns are made out of sustainable Somerset willow on paper. And so they're fully, environmentally friendly. They don't harm wildlife, and they're also fully reusable. So
that's really, really good. And this is completely free. How do you do that then, Sue?
right, we do it by begging money during the course of the year. I tend to put in the applications for the money. We get it from various sources depending on, where I've put the application into. This year, the county councillors have been very generous.
Yeah.
We've had a grant off the town council as well. Dave Waterhouse from his K9 group.
Of course, Kidsgrove the musical.
Yeah,
Yes.
he's given us a generous donation. Every year we do one of the reindeer runs with the Rotary, so we get half the money from that. It comes from various sources. To do just a small event costs about £3,500, so it's really busy all year raising the money, but somehow or other every year we manage.
You manage to do it.
Yeah.
So that's something I didn't realise. I mean, obviously we just see this 16th, 23rd, 30th of November, and then, but you were busy throughout the year raising for this.
I usually start in February raising money for the following Christmas, which I will be doing this year as well.
Now, I've read something on your post that Rudolph isn't with us at the moment. Where is Rudolph?
Rudolph is flying at the moment from the North Pole.
Right.
And I believe it's coming via Finland, and I believe he's somewhere over Finland at the moment, so he's got plenty of time to be here for the parade on the 30th, and I have heard in good faith that he will be.
And let's hope it's going to be another fabulous night.
Well, let's hope so. We don't want Rudolph getting wet, or any of the lanterns getting wet, really.
Well, I'm sure it's going to be another wonderful event. So I'm going to now go and film some of the families and the kids here. It is only 11 o'clock. It's not too busy at the moment, but it's going to get a lot busier later on.
It tends to get busy about 1 o'clock, 1:30. And next week is always busier than this week. So if anybody can come this week, take the opportunity, that'd be great.
Fantastic. Thank you. we've got Emmy and Isabel, and they are busy making the lanterns there. Are you enjoying yourself, guys? We've got Isaac, who's making this wonderful lantern. Now, Isaac, I didn't realise how big the lanterns are. They really are big, aren't they? And how long is it going to take you to make this?
2 hours.
About 2 hours, so lots of hard work. Fabulous. Sue and Emily, who are the adults here, and they are busy working away. It's a little bit tricky to make, are they? Or...
It can be tricky, yeah. These are the fiddliest bits. These bits where you're trying to get the main structure on. But as soon as you've got structure on, you're well away from really.
So you're actually taping them all together there.
Yeah. In the basic shape. Yeah. In the pair of them.
And whether you're going to admit or not, I can see both of you are having so much fun.
I love lanterns. It's the best thing.
Fred and Beatrix making the lanterns, and we've got the parents with them today who look as though they're actually enjoying it more than the kids. Am I right there?
That's correct.
This looks like so much fun. And have you guys done this last year? Every year. So you're actually regulars, yeah?
Stuck on fingers.
The first time that Fred's going to have carried one himself, he's been too little and looked at it. This is his first time actually carrying one.
We've got Ollie. And what are you doing today then, Ollie? It's just starting it, so this is the base of the lantern, is it? And we've got Mum here as well. Have you done this before?
Came last year, didn't we?
And how long do you think you're going to be here today then?
A long time, probably.
Depending on how fast Ollie actually works, yeah?
He's doing last year, didn't he? But he can get it this year.
Eiley. And look at this one. This one has actually got a star at the top. How long have you been working on that then, Eiley? And we'll go over to Mum.
5 minutes, I think.
So you've done really, really well so far. Okay, we've now got Harrison and Isla Jane. And Harrison's also got a star on. So you're having fun, Harrison?
Do you know? Yeah.
And let's have a look at Isla Jane over here. This one's looking well. How long have you been working on this then?
Not that long.
So tell me a little bit more how you're making it then.
I took quite a few attempts, but I like to bend the thin parts and join them together, which was pretty hard for quite hard. And on this side, I'm just cutting up some sticks and then taking them onto the sides. Now I have to bit of the
And you're having great fun, yeah? Thank you. You can see there is quite a few people here already. It's going to get a lot busier. Come down. Now again, if you miss out today, don't worry. You've got next week to come and make these fabulous lanterns. See over here, we're getting a lot further on the lanterns now. And they are looking absolutely fabulous. And it does look a little bit on the messy side, but it looks plenty of fun. Lantern is nearly finished. And this is going to be good to go. That looks absolutely wonderful, doesn't it? So much hard work is going into these. Well done. That's absolutely fabulous. Are you going to be carrying that on the 30th of November then, are you? Yeah? Fabulous. Well, I really enjoyed that. Yeah. And beautiful people here. Again, we've chatted. They were all happy to be filmed, adults as well. And they're having so much fun. Really good.
It's just good and it's creative as well, you know, and there's so many different patterns and things on the lanterns.
Yeah.
And having said that, you know, we raised the money all year. If anybody's got a few pence to spare, you know where to take it.
Absolutely. So again, thanks for watching the video today. Come and visit Sue next Saturday, 23rd of November. And then, of course, the main night, 30th. It's in 2 weeks' time.
It's in 2 weeks. And also, of course, if anybody can't come and make a lantern but wants to come to the parade,
Yeah.
we will have about 30 spare lanterns. It'll be first come, first served. But if anybody hasn't had a chance to make a lantern and they want a lantern to carry in the parade, there will be some spare lanterns.
Thank you for inviting me to this
you're
wonderful
welcome.
event today. Right then, that was absolutely fabulous. A big thank you to Sue for inviting me. And try and get down here for the rest of the day. They're here until 4 p.m. If you've enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next adventure real soon.